Question number 12. Which of the following is not a biodegradable polymer? So the options are glyptal, polyhydroxybutyrate, co-beta hydroxyvalerate, that is PHBV, nylon 2, nylon 6, glyptal, polyhydroxybutyrate, co-beta hydroxyvalerate. So when we go through with all four given options, here option A is the correct answer. That is nothing but what? Glyptal, where this glyptal is a non-biodegradable. Glyptal is called as non-biodegradable polymer, whereas the other three are biodegradable polymers. Next one, question number 11. So which one of the following, among the following, the branched chain polymer is? So here, when it comes to the options, polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, and HDPE, that is high density polyethylene, these two are linear polymers. Means PVC and HDPE are linear polymers, whereas LDPE, that is low density polyethylene, is a branched chain polymer, and the other option, that is bakelite. This bakelite is called as a cross-linked polymer. And the question that has been asked is, among the following, the branched chain polymer is? So LDPE is a branched chain polymer, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 12. Which one of the following is a polyamide polymer? So they are telling that which one of the following is a polyamide polymer. They have given the option as terylene. So let us write the structures. So C double bond O with benzene ring, C double bond O, O, CH2, CH2O. So this terylene is obtained by using terphthalic acid and ethylene glycol. So when we use terphthalic acid and ethylene glycol, we get terylene, where this terylene is nothing but what? A polyester, because it has a functional group of esters. This is option A, what they have given. What is option B? Option B is nylon 6,6. So already we have discussed that nylon 6,6 consists of two important monomers, which is hexamethylene diamine along with adipic acid, where this nylon 6,6 consists of an amide linkage, that is CH2 6 times, NH, so N times. This is the structure of what? Nylon 6,6, where this nylon 6,6 consists of what? Amide linkage. Hence, the correct option is nylon 6,6. That is nothing but a nylon 6,6 polymer, which has an polyamide linkage, because this is nothing but the amide functional group. So third option is BuNaS. You know already, it is prepared by 1,3 butadiene as well as styrene. And you know bakelite, where this bakelite is formed by the cross linkages of Novolac. Next one, question number 13. Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used to prepare. So here one should know the meaning of Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So here Ziegler-Natta catalyst means it is a combination of titanium tetrachloride along with triethyl aluminium. So titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminium together is called as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. By using this Ziegler-Natta catalyst, we can prepare HDPE, that is high density polyethylene, and this high density polyethylene is prepared by the monomer ethene when it is subjected to a temperature of 333 to 343 Kelvin in the presence of titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminium. It gives rise to a high density polyethylene. This is the formula for HDPE, high density polyethylene, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 14. The polymer containing 5-methylene group in its repeating unit is So here it is telling that polymer containing 5 methylene group. 5 methylene groups means what? CH2 should be present 5 times. So such type of a polymer is nylon 6. So here nylon 6 is a polymer which is obtained by using a monomer called as caprolactam. And when we write the structure of this nylon 6 consists of CH2 5 times along with C double bond O with the attachment of NH and N times. This is the structure of nylon 6 which is given by the option B. Last question, that is question number 15th. Cis 1,4 polyisoprene is called as, so we know that cis 1,4 polyisoprene is called as what? It is natural rubber. The natural rubber is called by cis 1,4 polyisoprene which is given by the option D. Thank you.